How to reset Dyson vacuum. To reset a Dyson vacuum, first turn off the vacuum and unplug it from the wall socket. This is very important because it allows the machine's internal system to power down fully. Wait for at least 1 full minute before you proceed. Next, inspect all key parts, the hose, filters, and brush bar. Remove any visible blockages or tangled debris. Dyson vacuums can automatically shut down when there's a clog or overheating, so clearing this is essential. Now let's deal with the filter. Most Dyson vacuums have a washable filter. Remove it carefully, rinse under cold water only, and gently squeeze out the excess water. Let it dry completely for 24 hours before reinserting it. Never put in a wet filter. Some Dyson models have a reset switch near the motor or brush bar. Press and hold it for 10 seconds. If there's no button, just plug the vacuum back in and turn it on. Lastly, make sure the battery is charged and the cord is not damaged. If problems continue, contact Dyson support for help. A simple reset often brings your vacuum back to life.